So, I'll tell you the story on this. We got these 4 kittens from my mother-in-law's cat, and she passed away. So Mom passed away. We don't know how or why. She was vomiting and then got paralyzed in the legs. We tried to run her up to the vet, but before we could get there, she had passed. So thanks to YouTube, we were able to look at some videos on how to actually take care of kittens, and learning how to, bottle feed them, and what did you say? Do their bottoms? Stimulate their bottoms so that they go to the bathroom, and then also burp them. So, and at first I didn't want to do a video because I didn't know how it was gonna go, but now it looks like Tessa's getting the hang of it. They're all doing really well. This is day what?
She passed away on Monday. So.
Passed away on Monday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
This is Saturday.
So we've been caring for them 5 days.
5 days. So look at these two starting to play around here. Yeah. I'm usually not a cat person, but you can't resist kittens.
And you also love Skipper.
I don't know. It's debatable.
You said Skipper was your favorite cat, didn't you?
Yeah, that was a long time ago. Yeah, Skipper's a good cat. Look at that face.
Butterscotch.
Name one Gus Gus.
Name one Gus Gus?
Yeah, but...
There's 3 boys and 1 girl from what we could tell.
I was like, well, which one's the girl?
Butterscotch is the girl.
That one looks like
And got Oreo, Creamsicle, and Quakes.
I want Butterscotch. Oh, Butterscotch are trying to climb the mountain.
I know. She's like, hey, wait a minute.
So I'm gonna get you. I'm on top of you.
Yes,
What
Oh,
Oreo?
so cute. I really like the black one. I've never seen just a black cat.
They're all getting over there, getting nestled in to go to sleep.
This is where the heating pad is.
Yeah. This guy's comfortable over here.
He's like, I don't want to be with my brothers.
That's the girl.
I have enough brothers. I just want to stay by myself.
Amazing. Look at him. Around anything more than the Amazon. No.
It's time for your belly. Sorry. That was a compliment. You get snuck. That was a compliment.
Look at those ears.
His name's Oreo.
This one's Oreo.
Yeah, that one's Oreo.
It's just a temporary.
Alright. Show us the kitty.
This is Bear.
That's Bear?
Yes, Bear.
Why am I in here?
Bella? What are you doing in there, huh? Gonna be their mommy?
And that is cream. No, creamsicle. And creamsicle hates everything. He does. Hates his brother.
Oh, they're all gonna fight.
I'm better than you. I got a stronger. I'm the second oldest. Good. Hey, we're gonna try to do stipple. When you come down, we have a big tummy. You know that. You would be a skinny cat if you got